Morning everyone, just thought I'd do another video update of the 1250 rebuild. You can see horses collars fitted, radiator cowl, fan, engines all in, all aligned up with the gearbox, drive shafts in, new belts, gearbox, as you've seen before, new pipe fittings. Just got the drive shafts put in this morning. Bits of new wiring loom there. New sister ramp for the rear lift arms. A few split pins yet to put in. But yeah, it's coming together. Some of the rear linkage arms are in place. Not looking too bad. And over there, oh look, another 1250. So hopefully this one will look like this one in a while, in between the other jobs. Hope you all have a good weekend and have a good Christmas. Bye.